What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing, it is Mardi Gras. Yes, it is. And some of us are there and others are at home. But anyway, we're gonna deal with it, and we're gonna do this Mardi Gras look with some glitter, some beads. Of course, I didn't do anything for these beads. I bought these from Michael's. Never been to Mardi Gras, but it's on my bucket list. Well, no, I don't want to say bucket list. I ain't going no damn where. It's on a list of things for me to do. So anyway, let me stop talking. If you want to see how I created this fabulous Mardi Gras look, just keep watching. Oh yeah, if you're at Mardi Gras, have a drink for me, and also make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell for notification. Shit, that's a lot. Just do it. Just do it. It's easy. Just go ahead and do it. Let's get started. Okay, so for this look, we're going to use the ColourPop Lilac You a Lot palette. This one. And our transition shade is going to be Imagine That, which is this color right here. That's our transition shade, that one. Okay, we're gonna start by putting Imagine That all over our lid, my lid, our lid. My daughter asked me, she said, why do you speak in a third person when you're taping? And I told her, I said, just think, somebody could possibly be doing this look and watching me step by step. So that means I'm not sitting here by myself. That's what I told her. So we're putting Imagine That all over our lid for our transition shade. Okay, so before we put our next shade on, I meant to tell you guys I'm using the Morphe M573 brush. So our next shade from the ColourPop Lilac You a Lot palette, we're going to use Iffy. And that is this shade right here. That's the next one that we're going to use. We're going to put that all over our lid. Okay, so we're going to put Iffy all over our lid. Actually right below Imagine That. And I want to use a smaller brush to get in the corner, so we're going to use the M506 brush and put this in the corner. Because we're going to cut our crease today. Doing some cutting to add some different colors to this look. That is truly a purple, like for real. Now we're going to cut our crease, and we're going to use the Jeffree Star Concealer in the color C14, which is this color right here. That's what we're gonna use to cut our crease. Okay, so off camera, I cut this side already. I use this detail brush right here. This is the one that we're gonna use to cut the crease. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the crease. Because I have hooded eyes, I always go above my actual crease. And talking and cutting a crease is very hard. Y'all gonna make me mess up. And then you guys are gonna see that I cut it too low. No, we're gonna hope that I don't do that. I think I'm getting them evenly matched. Cutting a crease is not, it's not hard, but when you're talking, it's like, okay, we're gonna hope and pray they're even. Fingers crossed. I think I got them to match. I'm gonna use a little bit more. And then I'm going to use my finger to blend this part in. Okay, so the next shade we're going to use is from the Zulu by Juvia's Place palette, which is this palette. And the color, it doesn't actually have a name on it, but we're going to start with this green shade right here. That's the color we're going to use, that green first. So I'm using the Morphe 506 brush. I'm going to put this shade, this green shade, in the middle. Kind of overlapping on the purple just so it transitions well. I like this color. It's like a bright green. Let's add a little bit more on this side. So the next green we're going to use is from the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place palette. This palette. And we're going to use the color Buzo. B-U-Z-O. Buzo? I don't know. But it's this green shade right here. This is the next green that we're going to use. So Buzo is going on our lid. Buzo. I'm thinking that's what it's saying. Buzo. Buzo. I don't know. This is a deeper green and it's going on top of the other green shade. Just so it'll pop. Kind of like this green too. We're going to use the Warrior by Juvia's Place palette, which is this palette right here. And this one doesn't have the name of the color. Yes, it does. What the hell? Bakwa? I don't know. It is a gold. B-A-K-W-A. These names, Bakwa. Sorry. It's this gold right here. This is what we're going to use for the inner corner. Jesus. It's in white writing, so I really can't even see it, but Bakwa. Listen, I am tearing these names up today. So it's a gold. It's gold. We're using it. Sorry, not sorry. Bakwa. Bakwhy. Why the hell? What the hell ever. I'm sorry. I'm bad with names. But that's what we're using for the inner corner. It's a pretty gold. If that means anything. After I destroyed the name. Sorry. And what are we using for eyeliner? I thought you would ask that. We are using the Urban Decay 24/7 pencil in Psychedelic Sister. It's a purple. And it looks like this. This is the color that we're using for eyeliner. This eyeliner for some reason is Super soft. The other one I had, the burgundy, see, it's bending already. It did it on the other side too. The burgundy wasn't as soft. I don't know why this one is. It's almost like I have to be very, very gentle with it for some reason. I don't know. But it's really soft. So I'm using really soft, light strokes because of how soft it is. It's probably gonna have to clean some of it up just to match the other side, because this pencil is like super soft. I've used it before, so once it's set, it stays there, but shit, it's soft. Okay, so when I was putting on Iffy, I noticed that I was a little bit too far down. I don't know if you guys could see me when I was doing this, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more on for the sake of the tutorial, because my head was really, really low, and I want you guys to start seeing how I'm applying this product. And I noticed that I bend in to the mirror an awful lot, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to take a Q-tip, kind of clean this up just a little bit. What are we using for mascara? I don't even have to say anything. If you've been watching my tutorials, then you already know I'm a fan of the Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. Okay, so we're gonna apply the mascara to our top lashes. On both sides. Wait. Let me slide back, because again, I want to be so detailed. That's the little anal side of me, that I want to bend into the mirror just to make sure I'm getting every single lash, but then I lose sight of you guys. Well, you guys lose sight of me, so I'm just gonna make sure I can see it from here, which I can. Bottom lashes, we're using Beauty by Pop Sugar Thick and Thin Mascara. Of course, it has this, okay, what the hell? This super, I dropped it. This super thin brush, which is this one right here. And this is what we're gonna be using on our lower lashes. Okay, because this is Mardi Gras, we're gonna use some glitter for highlighter. Yes, glitter for highlighter. We're gonna do it. I bought this from ColourPop from their Frozen 2 collection. It's like a little gel, I wanna say. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. And that's what we're gonna use on our face. So I'm gonna use my fingers, just digging it. It's wet. And we're gonna apply it here. Use as much as you want. Go crazy. It's Mardi Gras. It's actually very pretty. Did you think we were finished? Not yet. So we're gonna put glitter here and here. you might as well put it here and here. So I'm going to take my little finger and dip it back in this glitter gel and just pat it on the brow bone. Just like that. And for lipstick, let's wipe this excess glitter gel off. Yep, it's gonna be hell, but they say beauty is pain. Okay, so this is not painful, but it's a lot of glitter. For lipstick, we're going to use the MAC Playland, and it's this fabulous color right here. Okay, so we're gonna just apply Playland. I think we're gonna let's put some clear lip gloss on top of it. So we're gonna use the MAC lip gloss, just regular lip gloss, and put it on top to give it, excuse me guys, excuse me, to give it a little shine. So this is the finished look. Of course, we had to add us some beads. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.